Hello, my name is Drew with Drew's Home Repair, Drew Bustle himself, and this is one of the projects we're getting ready to do here. Ready to do a tear off for Mr. Brian Schmidt and replace. I'm going to put a 30-year architectural shingle on this bad boy. It's a beautiful house in Little River, South Carolina. I'm looking forward to sharing the videos with you. Works on the phone book itself, and he has some roofing issues here. Missing shingles. They're actually fairly old, so I'll propose to replace these shingles for him. We're going to put an onyx black shingle, architectural 30-year, back in the place of these. We'll be videotaping as we go. Go ahead and do a little quick before tear off. The whole roof. Cleaning off some brush there so we can get to that roof down there. Replacing 2 power ventilators. Shingles falling out here and there. It's walkable, but it's a little bit steep. And like I said, 30-year architectural shingle. I got this thing guesstimated at about 50 squares. What do you think? About 50 squares. That's the total roof. Might not be quite that much, but I'm thinking right close. Thanks for watching. Come back and see me when we're finished. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. We're set up. Got the shingles delivered. Got our Home Depot dumpster. We're getting ready to tear this thing off. Starts now. The new ones. One bundle at a time, baby. One bundle at a time. Uh-oh. Broken shingle. Right, it's going back on, and boy does it look good. Brian Schmidt, Little River, South Carolina. This gentleman here works for the Atlantic Telephone membership Yellow Pages, and I happen to be one of his clients. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. Find us in the Yellow Pages. Look under roofing. Can't miss us. Can't miss us. That's the old roof. Back's finished. And here's all the glory. This is where I get to come down on the ground, pick up all this good trash, because it was a little bit steep here. I guess we're looking at about an 812. Little gutter at the bottom with some leaf guards in them. Drip edge, the whole deal's there. Here's the best part of it, picking up the trash. When you're picking up the trash, you know something's getting done. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair, all of Brunswick County, Southeast North Carolina. Thanks for watching. I'm in my glory. I'm doing the hard part. Somebody want to trade jobs with me? Tell you what, North Carolina, beautiful weather, but I tell you what, it does get warm. Thank God I'm out here in the shade right now. What the hell I'll be doing? Doing what I'm doing best. I like to make sure my jobs are kept clean. So when I leave here, you never know I was even here. Clean, all right, clean. We got her back in the black. Back in black. Went ahead and added some ridge vent up there. We got a little bit of sawdust on the roof, but that will wash off easy and quick enough. Finished deal. A little bit of cleanup left to do. Okay, she looks good. A little bit of cleanup left. Mr. Brian Schmitts, Atlantic Telephone Membership Corporation. Guy works on the phone books. He helped me out. Thanks, Brian. More videos to come when I do his neighbor's house down the street.